Hi. So today is Thursday and I am over at Agora Village for the food truck night market. It's my first time coming for this food truck market. I came here straight from work. It's 5:31 now and I'm just waiting for my husband so that we could go and attend this food truck night market. Last time I think I did come here, but then my husband was working late and I just felt really shy to go in alone. Are you like me? If you want to go for something with someone and then someone doesn't show up and you just don't feel like going in alone. So that was me. So they have it once a month. I think it's the first Thursday of the month, but the first Thursday of this month, I noticed on their page they cancelled and postponed it to today. So yeah, I'm looking forward to today's market. I see a lot of cars here. It's like people come here straight from work or something, which is a good thing. I don't plan on staying here for that long. I have to rush home. I just want to see what they have, so I'll take you along with me. Sometimes I used to attend some of the food markets, but I wouldn't get much. I thought that food markets should give you a chance to like sample some of the food that they have in small, tiny bits for reasonable prices, but most of the time you find each stand is selling food at such a high price, almost as if you've gone to a restaurant. So I kind of lost interest in these food markets, so I haven't been to one in a very long time. Hopefully, this one will be a different experience, but yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Is it a cost effective way to buy or to try different foods, or is it just the same as having various restaurants in one place? So I'll catch you guys on the other side. Hopefully, I can get some good content of the food, the drinks, and the various stands that are here. It's not free. Entry into this food market, I am told, is 50 kwacha. Yeah, so that's about that. I will give you a review after I am back from the food market. So the queues were not so long, they were manageable. You just simply pay your 50 kwacha and you get a stamp so that if you go out, you're able to easily come in. And guys, there was this nice live band. Listen to this. I'm caught between your love and the place. Oh, 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 oh.
across the night time. City wings are slipping aside to hear our voice.
So guys, this is just me asking my husband to pause with the Cheerios. It's not easy being with someone at an event and they're busy taking content. That's just a sausage that I was eating. At this point, I was really thirsty, so I went to the wild dog stand and the mixologist was busy making drinks. I wanted the mojito, but the person who was making mojitos was not available. So I ended up going for a G&T, which I didn't enjoy. I ended up preferring my husband's drink, which was the Copper Mule. But at this point, I was now getting these drinks alone because my husband abandoned me. He was busy networking. So yeah, when you go and you're creating content with someone, you need to focus on the mission. But yeah, anyway, I later on went and poached him, and we came back and got his drink, and we enjoyed the rest of the evening. So from the drinks, I also got to try out some grilled chicken and tacos. I really wanted tacos from the Worms Noms stand, so that's what I basically ate, and I enjoyed myself. I didn't buy too much food. I think I wasn't very hungry, neither was my husband, so we just sampled the tacos, the chicken, the sausage and Cheerios, and we called it a night. So have you been to this night market? Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you haven't been, I think it's a good idea to go there. I think they have it every first Thursday of the month. Check out the Lusaka Food Market and Agora Village pages on the various social media platforms. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. The battery is low. What are you selling?
Chicken, sausage, and coastal.
Is it this one?
Yes.
Oh, what sausage do you have? Hungarian.
Chicken, yes.
Maybe I'll come back for the Hungarian.
Please, when coming back, wear dito. Side tissue.
Okay. Oh, it's chicken Hungarian. It's nice. Yes, yes, I can.
Look at my life, look at my heart. I have seen them fall apart, and now I'm ready to rise again. Look at my dreams, look at my soul, building bridges from the seams, and now I'm ready to rise again. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
You just take one shot around.